Hi guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to add your Calendly link into your LinkedIn profile or LinkedIn messaging. So first, log into your Calendly account, and then after logging in, click the integrations and apps. Scroll a little until you find the LinkedIn messaging. Click on this and then download it. You can download this for Chrome if you're using Chrome and download this for Firefox if you're using Firefox. Now click the download for Chrome since we are using Chrome browser. And then click the add to Chrome and add this extension. Just wait for this installation. And that's it. As you can see, Calendly has been installed. Click the sign in button and it will automatically sign in our Calendly account. Now click the share event types and go to our LinkedIn profile or LinkedIn messaging. Click the messaging tab and find the person or network that you want to message. Click the extension button here and click the Calendly since we want to send our Calendly link. Now, as you can see here, there are several meetings that we can send to our clients. Click the copy link and paste it here as a message. Now click the send button and that's it. As you can see here, I have added or shared my Calendly link in my LinkedIn messaging. And that is how to add Calendly link in LinkedIn. And thank you for listening.